I see.
What you eating?
I see.
Want to see yourself?
Yeah.
What you eating there, Desmond? What's that? Is that kale? Let me see you eat some kale. Mmm. Is that delicious? Just plain old kale. Little salt and olive oil.
Like it?
You like it, huh? You like it?
Like it?
Mmm, it's good for you. Mmm. Yeah, don't hit the camera. That's for eating your kale, that spoon. You need more kale? Don't touch the camera, it's dirty, that spoon.
Get the camera?
Yeah, the camera.
Yeah. And then you!
Who's that on the camera? Who's this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, more kale? Okay. Let's see. Maybe use a fork.
A spoon?
A spoon?
Yeah.
Well, you have a wooden spoon and you have a fork.
Yeah.
Try the fork. Oh, that's a lot of kale. Hold on. Okay, try that. Mmm. Wow.
A fork.
This is a fork.
Okay, one chicken.
You want to try the chicken? Mmm, chicken looks good. You try chicken. You want me to cut up a piece for you?
Yeah.
Okay.